welcome to another video with JQ. My lips is really plump. It's giving I got lip fillers. Period. Say nah. But y'all, so today, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I'm so thrown off. I just did this whole video and then it deleted. So like, basically I'm doing another Shein haul. I done opened damn near half of everything, so it's like nothing's a surprise anymore. Like, I'm not excited. I see what I got. I got one more thing to open, I guess. I guess I'll just do a quick time lapse of all the things that I've shown and the deleted footage. And I'm just gonna start with the package that I had not opened yet. Y'all bear with me because I'm very pissed off. I'm just gonna continue to finish saying what I was saying. And y'all need to get on the TikTok train. Like, I got all of this stuff for free. This is everything that I already showed. All this stuff for free. I was saying I've been wanting to buy one of these for the longest, but I didn't want to pay for it. It's like a perfume, these Lady Susan thing. I'm becoming a fragrance girly. So my birthday coming up or whatever. Well, not my birthday everywhere, but if y'all ever wondering what, if y'all don't know what they do for my birthday, give me some perfume, give me some oil, just give me something that just make me like smell good so my man can like want to eat me up. Like, he already want to eat me up because I just always smell so good, but I be wanting to try this stuff for y'all. So when I get in my room, I'm going to set this up and then I'm going to have the camera back on and show y'all. But first, the package that I haven't opened yet. So hopefully this video don't delete. And I can have like somewhat of a surprise because I'm not about to fake it. I'm not about to open that stuff and act like I didn't know what it was because we already went through that. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I just want to say that I'm happy again because I didn't even know that I got all of this stuff. Oh. This did just piss me off, but I think it's still gonna be useful. To your eyes, I see it. So as I just told y'all, the footage deleted, but I'm glad that I got this so now I can say it again. I had got like a 4-pack, a 5-pack or something. No, I think it was, I don't know how many it was. I know I gave my mom 2. But I didn't even know that I ordered all of these. I was telling y'all need to get with these. Throw them braids away, throw them wash braids away. Use these. The body is gonna be so smooth. I promise you. Once you give it them, you're never going back to the brand. Happy day. How many is this? Once again, y'all, all of this stuff is free. I just want to reiterate that. Got a little spray bottle. A little soft edge brush. With detangler. Rectangle comb. Clip. And guess what? They are my favorite colors. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guess who won't be taking a trip to the beauty supply store for a good vibe? Like, for the frisky. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so in the last package, I had got the one I put in my hair, and it came with the feet. So I'm like, I remember that I got other ones too. I was talking about these. I didn't know I got these. I'm about to take this one out. Don't you know when I come around? Let's put one of these. Let's put green one. I hope it's not like cheap and gonna break easily. Cause I really like it. I still like it. Okay. So y'all like these, they're really pretty colors. Oh, this is like a little slip. I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna be sick. Oh yeah, I know exactly what this is, y'all. I couldn't wait for this. I couldn't wait on this. That's off the dope. Baby, it's the whole set. The pants. Baby, the shorts, honey. Just a little wallet. Another little gown, slip. And I robe to match. Or I'm not gonna unfold anything, but I robe to match. And I gotta pick the belt for the robe. So if y'all enjoyed this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm probably gonna insert somewhere in this video. I'm gonna do a time lapse of everything else I got because I'm not about to sit right here and show all that again. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Hey y'all. So me and Via is supposed to be doing a video right now. She left me in here and she's taking so long to come back. Like, I don't know what she's doing, but she probably been grown. And that's rude if you are. But anyway, y'all. I was just doing a story time. I'm not gonna delete it. Well, I did a story time. One part of the video got deleted. I don't feel like re-recording it, and now I don't even feel like posting. I mean, I'm gonna keep the video, but I don't know when I'm gonna post it. But I still wanna post it. I'm trying to think of some other story times I wanna do. My life is a freaking theater. Like, the stuff that happens in my life is be so crazy. I just don't like talking about people for real, like, especially if it's something about somebody that I no longer associate with. I don't like talking about people for real, because people just, they ain't gonna wanna address it like, oh, somebody said you was talking about me on your channel, your YouTube, bitch. I was, because I told them how weird of a bitch you was. I told the truth. But it don't even be like me discussing that person. It just be me discussing my experiences. Alright, we on our way. Look at them. On our way to Cold Stone, guys. To get us some ice cream. I really don't need no ice cream. I really don't even know what I don't even know what they have at Cold Stone. I've been to Cold Stone in so long. But we shall see.
No, she wants something cool from the stone place.
I just want some, what they say, I got this some sweet.
She said, I built this shit.
Oh, brick by brick.
That's what, it's the life, man. What are you talking about?
He said,
and
I
then
built
he said
this
it with so much confidence. I built this shit.
brick by brick.
I said, you gonna get you some butter cake or more?
I don't know what I want. Golden Oreos and Keith bar.
Okay.
And y'all got whipped cream?
Yeah.
And whipped cream. And now I see you with everything I like to say. You saying any?
Yeah, we're going. The other one was pie cake. Yeah, whipped cream. That's it. We'll see about it.
I got it! Yes, bitches! Y'all go down and subscribe to the cards, please. You know what I'm saying, that video?
It's the way you said it that concerned me.
Chocolate vanilla quick crunch, please. That's how she said it. Why you eating stuff? Huh? Butter pecan, golden Oreo cookies.
Just for once, he got something other than vanilla.
Beef crunch, please. No messes in my backseat, King.
No mess. Eat your ice cream.
And with this, son, end it.
No.
Don't let me start. No, don't let me start.
Stop. Cause let me say who I'm with.
Go ahead.
I'm with my
Why she
say.
wanna
You know
be-
you doing that shit on purpose, babe.
Why she let me be gay so bad?
Ooh. Too much. Y'all.
Don't say nothing with your regular being here.
Oh, I point. I'm back.
Yeah, you can't point to the motherfuckers in front of you.
I just said I'm back. You calm down. So relax. Bruh,
What did I say?
hey, you always doing some duck ass shit.
What did I do?
Duck no gunshots around here.
But it's dark as shit though.
It is that like they need to be closed at this time. You sure it's open? Oh, it is open.
It's open. Fast, come back. It's a rat. Oh my god.
No.
You with the, you don't care. But
Say it.
Mommy gonna be fighting for her life.
Alright, I stopped it. I did. It's not recording. Okay, I don't even give a fuck.
No, for real, it's too dark.
And it's rats. I'm scared of it. I'm scared.
Oh, no, I was about to say, no, for real. I got caught.
Doing what? I'm fucking scared over here.
What?
Try to run and hide, make a difference. If you can't lie to yourself, I think it's it hurts when it comes to repetition. But you're in love. Hey, yes sir, that's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. It was the lavish life from all the ghost mud. Before the double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got covered.
On Wednesday, so I finally recorded the stuff that deleted in other footage. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tune in to the next video, y'all.